Income and expenditure account. Calculate subscriptions earned. Calculate entrance fees and or life membership subscriptions for the year. Calculate net income from other ancillary activities, dinner/dance/ competitions. Calculate expenses incurred by preparing ledger accounts for expenses, where opening and closing balances are available. Calculate depreciation. Difference between R/P account and I/E account. Receipts and payments account. It is like a cash book. Closing balance is carried forward to the next period. Closing balance represents cash in hand and at bank. It includes both capital and revenue items. It ignores outstanding items. It ignores credit sales and purchases. It includes prepaid items. It begins with a balance. It includes items relating to past, present, or future periods. It ignores non-cash items like depreciation, bad debts, etc. Income and expenditures account. It is like an income statement. Closing balance is merged into accumulated fund. Closing balance represents either surplus or deficiency. It includes only revenue items. It records outstanding items. It records credit sales and purchases. It excludes prepaid items. It does not begin with a balance. It includes items relating to current period only. It records non-cash items like depreciation, bad debts, etc.